I was just doing a bit of Googling about the new bedtime feature for iOS 11, and I came up with these other tips that were all wrapped up with it on the Apple website, so I thought I'd make a little video. Now, most of us know how to take a screenshot. You press the side button and the home button. Just want to show you, I always take a screenshot of travel tickets. If they're in my wallet, always better to have just another backup, belt and braces. The little difference is that the picture now appears in the left hand corner. You can go straight to that picture that you've just taken a screenshot of. So another little useful addition. Okay, we now found that we can, using the reader viewer. Now, I'll read the newspaper online on my phone, and a lot of the articles are just full of junk and trying to get you here, there and everywhere. The reader view is available. It's the lines in the left hand corner. Just tap that, and then the article will just go to most just the pictures, the ongoing links and the text, and so much easier to read, and no pop-ups or any of that nonsense. Talking of making things easier, we can also talk to type, and that's very straightforward, as you're about to see. Test contact. Just testing to see I can talk to send a message. Yeah, there's the magnifying feature on the phone. It's not enabled straight away, so you do need to go into settings and go to general, go to accessibility and switch on magnifier. Now, I've done a pretty poor example of this, but say for example you're in a restaurant and you've forgotten your reading glasses, you just triple click the home button and then you've got a magnifier. Now, as I said, this isn't a great example. Nice menu though, I'll give it that. But yeah, if you have got a document that you need to read and it's all in fine print, put that on. And the one I was looking for, bedtime. Everyone's telling you you've got to get to sleep. I don't sleep properly, so I thought I'd try and run the app. So we just go to the clock and now we'll see bedtime. And it's agreeing with me that we should sleep properly and we should sleep better. So on my normal weekday I get up at 7 o'clock. So I'm going to set that for 7 o'clock. Now I only want that to go off Monday to Friday. So no, I've done that the wrong way around. So my alarm's going to go off at the weekend, but not the rest of the week. So let's switch that round. So I've now got my bedtime set for weekends and I want 8 hours. So then I get this screen. So that's my settings. I can click on options and I can change the days. I can change the wake up sound. I can change when I want to be notified that it's time to go to bed, like being at home with my mum again. But anyway, let's see what happens. This is new to me, so I think we'll have birdsong to wake me up. So that is bedtime. That's actually the app I was looking for. But I thought as Apple had nicely wrapped up a few other tips within this, I'd do that. And one of them was adding accents to your text. So if we really do want to be pedantic when we're sending someone the message touché, when you tap on the E, you just hold the E down and the options of accents will come up. So yeah, if you want to be correct and proper, nothing wrong with that. Now these are just a full few tips, but obviously Apple do produce their full user guide. Go to iBooks and search iPhone user guide. The latest one will come up. It's totally free. In fact, I'm going to download it and probably make some videos this afternoon. So, if you don't want to read it in a book and you'd rather watch it on the video, subscribe to the channel because there's going to be new iPhone videos every day this week. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.